Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a smooth and very clear skin using 3 powerful items. These items are all natural and work by deeply cleansing your skin. It will unclog your pores and remove dead cells, get rid of acne, and will leave your skin looking radiant. If you love DIYs and you're looking for ways to make your skin glow through, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification. First item we are going to need is coffee. Coffee is a great exfoliator. It is very effective against acne. In addition to being antibacterial, scrubbing the face with coffee helps remove dead skin cells and unclog the pores. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of ground coffee. We are going to be needing aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps moisturize the skin. Due to its anti-inflammatory effects, this gel helps in treating acne. We are going to be needing a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Last but not least, the third item we are going to need for this recipe is rose hip oil. Rose hip oil helps with tissue and cell regeneration. Enriched with vitamins E, A, and C, it hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Exfoliation with rose hip oil reduces dullness, leaving you with a vibrant and glowy skin. After adding all these ingredients, mix to combine them. To apply, gently scrub the paste onto your skin in circular motions. Leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off with warm water. With just the first application, guys, your face already feels so soft and smooth. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure having you here. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section. And see you in my next video. Bye.